Inheritance. In Java, inheritance is the property of objects, where objects of one class can acquire the properties of objects from other class. Types of inheritance in Java are single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance. Single inheritance means the single derived class can acquire the properties of single base class. Multi-level inheritance means the derived class can be derived from another derived class of the parent class. In hierarchical inheritance, two or more classes can be derived from a single base class. Java does not support multiple inheritance. Coming to advantages of inheritance, software reusability. Through the concept of inheritance, we are able to inherit the properties of base class into the subclasses. That is, subclass does not provide implementation for the behaviors that are already defined in the base class using object-oriented techniques. The functions can be reused. Increased reliability. Code that is executed frequently tends to have less bugs than the code that is executed infrequently. When the same components are used in two or more applications, the code will be exercised more than the code that is developed for a single application. Thus, bugs in such code tend to be discovered more quickly. Another advantage of inheritance in Java is code sharing. Object-oriented techniques provides code sharing at several levels. In inheritance, two or more types of objects will share the code that they inherit, but this code needs to be written only once. Development of software components is also one of the advantages of inheritance. Inheritance enables program to construct reusable software components. The goal is to permit the development of new and novel applications that require little or no actual coding. The Java library offers rich collection of software components for the use of development of real-time of applications. The syntax for inheritance is class-based, class-derived, extents-based. Following is the example program for inheritance in Java. Box program is the class. Height, width, depth, VOL are the variables of type integer. Boxprog is the constructor. Height, width, depth values are 10 each. Using the same boxprog constructor with parameter a, b, c and equaling their values to height, width and depth. Again using the same constructor with parameter VAL and inside it giving height equal to, width equal to, depth equal to VAL. Next, defining volume method and return its formula as VOL is equal to height into width into depth and printing its value. Now using the concept of inheritance, defining a derived class wbox which extends the properties of boxprog class. Defined weight variable, giving wbox as constructor with parameters h, w, d, we with the type integer. Now inside the constructor equaling the parameters of derived class to the variables of base class, that is height equal to h, width w, depth d, weight w. Now for calling of methods and values printing, giving in ex class inside main wbox wb1 equal to new wbox 10, 10, 10, 15 for calling of wbox class and equaling to wb1. Here 10, 10, 10, 15 means height, width, depth and weight respectively, which are defined in wbox class. For printing of values, first calling volume method as wb1.volume. It prints 1000 value as height equal to 10, width equal to 10, depth equal to 10, volume equals to 10 into 10 into 10, that is 1000. Next to print weight, wb1.weight. Weight is we. We is 15 as we given wbox of 10, 10, 10, 15. So this program output is first compiling it java c boxprogram.java. It creates class files of boxprog, wbox and inex. Since printing and calling methods are in inex class, giving java inex, it prints volume as 1000 and weight as 15.